Today, in this video, we will discuss how to restore urban biodiversity. Imagine walking up in a city where butterflies drift between balconies, kingfishers flash above restored streams, and the songs of native birds greet the morning rush. Such cities are not a dream, they are entirely possible. Urban biodiversity is the variety of life that thrives in our towns and cities, from towering trees and tiny microbes to birds, mammals, and pollinating insects. Reviving it is one of the greatest opportunities of our century. For decades, urban growth has replaced natural habitats with roads, buildings, and manicured lawns. Yet, nature is remarkably resilient. A vacant lot can become a meadow. A concrete canal can be transformed into a living stream. The first step is to make room for native species. Planting native trees and flowers create food webs that support caterpillars, bees, butterflies, and the birds that feed upon them. A single mature native tree can be a host for hundreds of species, becoming an entire ecosystem in miniature. Cities also need connecting habitats. Isolated parks are like islands. Wildlife flourishes when green spaces are linked by tree lined streets, hedgerows, and flowering corridors. These ecological pathways allow animals to forage, migrate, and maintain healthy populations. Green roofs and living walls extend this network vertically, turning bare buildings into habitats that cool the city and shelter wildlife. Water is equally transformative. Restored wetlands and ponds attract dragonflies, frogs, and migratory birds while storing stormwater and reducing floods. Streams that were once hidden underground can be brought back to the surface, creating beautiful public spaces that benefit both people and nature. Around the world, such projects have shown that biodiversity often rebounds within just a few years. Restoration also means changing our habits. Excessive pesticide use, bright night lighting, and constant mowing simply ecosystems. By reducing chemicals, dimming unnecessary lights, and allowing some grassy areas to grow naturally, we invite life back into our neighborhoods. What may appear untidy at first can soon become a vibrant refuge, buzzing with bees and alive with bird song. Technology and citizen science are powerful allies. Residents can use smartphone apps to record birds, butterflies, and plants, contributing valuable data to scientists. Schools can establish pollinator gardens, and community groups can organize tree plantings and cleanups. Every observation and every sapling planted becomes part of a larger movement toward ecological recovery. The benefits are profound. Biodiversities are cooler, cleaner, and more resilient to climate extremes. They improve mental health, provide opportunities for recreation and education, and foster a sense of stewardship. Children who grow up surrounded by nature are more likely to value and protect it as adults. The revival of urban biodiversity begins with simple choices: planting a native flower, supporting a local park, reducing pesticide use, or advocating for greener city planning. Individually, these actions may seem small, but together they reshape the urban landscape. The city of the future need not be a place apart from nature. It can be a living ecosystem, rich, resilient, and filled with wonder. The question is not whether we can restore urban biodiversity, but whether we will seize the opportunity to do so. By taking simple steps, we can restore urban biodiversity because urban biodiversity support our ecosystem, support our mental health, and also create recreational opportunities. So we can thrive only if we can restore or if we are able to restore urban biodiversity. So everyone should take part in this initiative and should take small steps so that urban biodiversity can be preserved, can be protected. For more videos related to animals and animal facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel ZooSphere.